All right, I'm about to start my intro. You just sit there and look pretty, okay?
You fish, bro?
I'm trying to do an intro, bro.
Oh, you are?
Jesus. That fool. What's up, peoples? I'm here with Martin and some dude who just showed up and decided to give us trouble. Today we're doing a little bit of a fishing challenge in this pond right here. I hope I don't hit you in the face with that stuff. I'm sorry. See, what is it? 1 hour is that what we're doing?
1 hour.
All right, 1 hour. Whoever catches the most bass wins. Well, do we have anything like a prize?
This banana peel.
Your banana peel? No, not at all.
We're going for pride today.
Just pride.
Just pure pride.
I don't have any of that, so I could use some. So, yeah. All right, let's get to it. Cool. All right. Well, this is what I'm going to use, this little cheap popper. They love top water on this pond, so let's see how that goes. He's already started. What feels different? Oh, moving. Gotta move. Gotta stay mobile. I think old Martin over there is trying to spinner bait. Fish! Woohoo! Yeah, this is hard. Fish number one. Fish number one. Yep. One on. That's a reptile. I don't think it counts. Oh. Woo! Oh, he threw it. Oh, he had a bite, but he threw it. Freaking nesting, man. We got some spectators over here. What's this? Talk shit, drink beer. Hey, Martin. I forgot the score. What was the score? Jewel breaks. Oh, you got one, peoples. 1-1. Let's try like a slower retrieve. Just one little pop like every 2 seconds. We started at what, 1:12? All right, we got 21 minutes.
And that was the kind of frog bite you dream about.
That's the type of frog bite you dream about. I don't dream about that. Oh! Yeah. Lose it! He's got a second one. You gotta touch it. Touch it! Touch it! Damn it. All right, he's winning now. That's 2-1. 13 minutes to spare. You mean 13 minutes for me to gain the lead? A few minutes left, only a few minutes left. Gotta go. All right, my last stand will be over here in the corner. The geese want in on the competition. 3 minutes. 3? 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. Come on, just one more fish to tie it up. Just one more fish to tie it up. Come on, popper. Come on, you cheapo frog popper. Come in for the win, bud. Or the tie. Come in for the tie. All I ask for is a tie right now. 1 minute. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? Well, that's it, motherfucker. What up?
Good match, sir.
Yeah.
Very good.
So yeah, the results are in. Him 2, me 1. Video over.
What was your
I'm
game
not
plan?
even gonna post this one.
When did you know that it was over?
When you counted down from 10,
You don't want to talk through your game plan?
my game plan was to catch more fish than this dude,
Oh.
and it didn't follow through. These poppers let me down, except for this one. This one got me one,
Yep.
and it peaked early because it
Which
got
one?
me.
Which
It was
one?
the frog one.
The frog one, the hula popper?
Yeah, it peaked early because I got the first fish in like first 5 minutes, and then nothing. And then he kind of clutched in like the last 20 minutes, got the last one to
Yeah,
take
so
to take the victory.
I got one on the brand new walking frog
Spinnerbait.
and one on the tried and true white spinnerbait.
Yeah.
Can't beat the white spinnerbait.
Well, I lost, so I don't want to talk about it anymore. So thanks for joining me, and peace out.